The Downtown Grill started in 1997 by a gentleman named Tom Nolke. I took it over in 2008. Downtown Grill has always been a great establishment with quality food and quality beef. You can't go wrong with just a good old ribeye. You know, they have perfect fat content. I've always just been a ribeye guy, and you know, they're just nice and meaty and juicy and delicious. Whiskey and cigars, that's kind of our thing. One of the signature drinks that I like making is old fashioned. We do it a little bit different than everybody else, and I always say if you start with a quality product, it's a lot easier to end up with a quality product. Downtown Grill is definitely tucked away in the alley. Greg Allman and Cher got engaged here, I think 1975 when it was Le Bistro. The dining room is nice and quaint. We have nice quiet jazz going. You can easily talk to the person. Our booths are tall enough where you're not in everybody's business. Our menu presentation is a little bit different than other places. We do a lot of verbal, and I just like meeting the people and talking to people, and I think that creates its own experience. I think if I could describe Downtown Grill in 3 words, elegant, classic, and high-end. I want to give the customer a very good product, and at the end of the day, it's about making people happy and having a great experience.